Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Shannon back here with us today, and Shannon drives 4 hours from Dallas down here to Houston to get her chiropractic adjustments. And she's got a zillion chiropractors up in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So tell them why you drive 4 hours down here to get chiropractic adjustments from me instead of up there.
Well, I was seeing a chiropractor in the Dallas area, 2 of them, and I wasn't getting any relief. And so after watching you and seeing everybody, compliment that they'll leave here pain-free and being able to feel a lot better, I said I need to take the drive. So I had a lot of relief after my first trip, so I decided to come back down.
Okay.
To do another session.
So results matter, don't they?
Yes, it matters. I can move my neck without hurting, and that is awesome because it's not been like that for years. So I'm excited about.
Praise the Lord.
Yes. So I'm excited about just feeling better.
Great. Good. We're excited for you. That's what we do here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. We help change people's lives for the better. Okay, Jen, let's have a look at you. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. I still haven't got Shannon sleeping completely on her back with no pillow yet. Back to neutral. So her head's still a little bit forward and to the right of center. But other than that, she's a good patient. She follows directions and does her exercises. Your hands are back further now. Your shoulders are much more squared off.
I'm taking notice of it now.
Yeah. Well, when you're conscious of it, though, it helps everything.
Yes.
Okay, let's come over here and lay on your back. I have a lot of patients actually that drive down here from Dallas to get adjusted. You've probably seen some of those on YouTube videos, haven't you?
Oh, yeah.
Slide down underneath there, yeah. Grief over that noise. There we go. Good job. Getting easier. It didn't hurt me a bit.
Whew.
You still felt that all the way down, though, didn't
yeah.
you? Yep. Okay. Yep. Cracked egg's gonna love you. Oh yeah. Good girl. Boy, that's gonna feel a ton better.
Oh, yeah.
See, I know whenever I adjust you that we're getting full range of motion back in your spine, so.
Feels like somebody shook it out.
Yep.
Straighten it out.
Yep. Okay, here we go. Alright. It's like putting a blow dryer on wet hair.
Yeah. Straighten it all out.
That's right. Go and tell me. When you're young, your mom used to straighten you out. Now I can't.
Okay. I needed it.
Left leg's still about a quarter of an inch short. Gets even. That probably tightens up a little bit.
Nothing like it was.
There. There we go. There we go. There. Okay. Now your legs are even. This should feel smoother, Shannon. Good. Yes, ma'am. Okay, let's turn you on your back now.
Alrighty.
Good. Now let's slide down this way a little bit and put your arms out like this. When you got your first appointment here, you went on our website and filled out the new patient request form, didn't you?
Yep.
And how long did it take for Renee to get back to you?
Oh, she got back to me the same day.
Same day.
Same day.
Renee tries to answer all the emails within 48 hours. We get about 150 of them a day, so be patient. Let's sit you and face that way. Now, after you've been here and become a patient, she gave you her direct cell phone number, huh?
Yep, and I got
So
a
now all you gotta do is text her and get an appointment.
Yep.
There. Okay. You're being awful cooperative this afternoon.
Yeah. I'm taking it all in.
So how you like Houston compared to Dallas?
Still a lot of traffic.
Yeah.
Still a lot of traffic. The weather's been funny.
Nice
But
out
overall
today,
good.
though, huh?
Yeah, even when I went to the hotel, I told them I was coming to see you. Yeah, everybody comes to see Dr. Johnson.
Okay, let's have you flex forward and backwards for me. Which hotel you at, the Hyatt?
The Hyatt, yes.
We're in the process of renegotiating our rates with them right now too. We have people coming here from all over the world to stay there.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Okay. Try that again, Shannon. Should be on a swivel now.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So, there's people out there that are living in Dallas or San Antonio or Austin. They're wondering, is it worth the drive and
Yes, it is worth
the money to come here and stay and get chiropractic adjustments?
Yes, I wouldn't have felt this kind of relief after my other doctors in Dallas.
Well, thank you for sharing that
No.
with everyone.
Thank you for making me feel better.
Oh, it's my
This is
pleasure.
awesome.
That's
Thank you.
great. Thank you. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.